Hello guys, you're watching the Payment Guide YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about getting the SWIFT code of Citibank Thailand. The whole process of getting the SWIFT code of Citibank Thailand is going to be explained in this video step by step. Before I start the process of getting the SWIFT code of Citibank of Thailand, if you're new to this channel, subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. A link has been provided in the description box. By clicking the link, you will come to this page. Here you can see 4 boxes. So each box has a specific function. The first box is to select the country. So in the first box, we will select the country Thailand. We search here Thailand. Now the second box is enable, and the second box is to select the bank. So in this box, we'll select Citibank Thailand. Now the third box is enable, and the third box is to select the city. So as we click it, here is the city of Bangkok. The fourth box is to select the SWIFT code. As we click it, you can see our SWIFT code. We have 2 SWIFT codes. We will click the first one. As we click the SWIFT code, the only information about the SWIFT code will be provided to us. Here you can see our SWIFT code, and again the key information, the SWIFT code is provided here, and along with it, here's the copying option. As I click it, the SWIFT code is copied. The bank name is provided here, and the bank official address is also provided here. So this was the information to get the SWIFT code of Citibank Thailand. See you in another video. Subscribe the channel and click the bell icon for the latest update of the latest videos. Don't forget to like, share and comment.